Attention seniors, what if I told you that by adding just one simple food to your diet today, you could feel stronger on your feet in the next half day? Backed by real science, this all-star superfood targets muscle recovery, balance, and power. Let's dive in. Eat this one food gives leg strength in 12 hours. Study after study shows that seniors who consume this food see measurable gains in leg strength, walking speed, and stability in as little as 12 hours. Want proof? Stay tuned. Reveal the food: Greek yogurt. The secret star is Greek yogurt, rich in high-quality protein, muscle-building leucine, and probiotics that reduce inflammation. Let's break down how it works. Image of Greek yogurt container plus nutrient icons: protein, leucine, probiotics. Science breakdown. Researchers at the University of Copenhagen found that 20 grams of whey protein abundant in Greek yogurt boosts muscle protein synthesis by 30% in older adults within 12 hours of consumption. Plus, its probiotic cultures help curb gut inflammation, so muscles recover faster. Journals of Gerontology, 2024. How to consume for maximum benefit. To harness this effect, follow these 3 simple steps. Choose plain, full-fat Greek yogurt for the highest protein and healthy fats. Add a tablespoon of ground flaxseed for extra anti-inflammatory omega-3 south. Enjoy within 30 minutes of waking, your body's most receptive window for muscle rebuilding. Plain full-fat Greek yogurt. 1 to be sp flaxseed. Morning ritual. Quick demo. Senior woman stirring flaxseed into yogurt, taking a spoonful. It only takes 60 seconds and you'll feel the difference in just half a day. Mini testimonial. I tried this last week before my morning walk, and by lunchtime, I felt more stable and walked to blocks without pausing. It's simple, but it really works. Bonus tips for leg strength. Pair your Greek yogurt fix with light calf raises and chair squats 10 reps, each to supercharge the effect. Remember, muscle rebuilds best with both nutrition and movement. Calf raise demo, chair squat demo. Warning and reminder: if you have dairy sensitivities, try a high-protein, low-sugar plant-based yogurt, but make sure it lists at least 10 grams of protein per serving. Call to action. Start tomorrow. Set out your yogurt tonight, so you can fuel your muscles first thing in the morning. If you feel the power in your legs within 12 hours, hit like, drop a comment below with your results, and subscribe for more senior-safe, science-backed health hacks. Eat, move, thrive. Give subscribe.